There are forests no longer found on maps, but memories still echo in the stones. Moss-covered walls glow faintly, etched with insect-shaped symbols, whispers from another time. A lone moth lands in silence, and the symbol begins to pulse with life. A jewel beetle crawls forward, leaving behind glowing lines like ancient circuitry. Butterflies descend in spirals, their wings drawing a sacred shape into the moss. Still as stone, a mantis watches, but its eyes are not asleep. Starlight reflects inside the fly's eyes, revealing patterns from timelines not yet lived. Left, a bug draws perfect circles in the sand. Right, the same symbol carved long ago. Coincidence or connection? Beetles gather, forming the shape of an ancient eye. An awakening begins. Fireflies pulse in rhythm, spelling out signals in mid-air light. Ladybugs trace paths across a sundial, weaving shapes too perfect to be random. A stag beetle raises its pincers like an omen. The ground beneath it glows with meaning. Hundreds of jewel beetles circle slowly, forming a glowing sigil in the sky. A moth lands at the heart of a room, triggering waves of ancient light. Every insect moves in sync, a living glyph pulsing with silent purpose. One small creature turns toward us, its eyes shimmer with secrets we're not meant to know. Inside its vision, swirling timelines, futures forming and fading in slow light. The forest falls quiet once more. One last symbol glows, then vanishes,